You know what maybe it is here? Maybe we did so much of this stuff when the kids were little, of fake, of pretend rivers and all the touristy things that I'd rather be wading in Duck Creek. I mean, this is nice. Don't get me wrong. It's nice, but I really wouldn't swim in that. There's a duck. I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. This is nice. But it's like reminds me of something at Disney World.
Oh, it does.
Here come the kids down the raft slide.
Wave at Daddy.
Wave at Dad. Wave at Dad. Run the duck over. Look at this duck. Get up, it's the wave, or old man Tucker. I bet that jock gets old fast, going around and around and around.
Well, whoever did this sure did it up well. It's very impressive for all the little shops and touristy things, don't you think?
Yeah.
Good tourist bureau, I guess. That was called. Wow.
Here comes a boatload.
Here comes a boatload of people.